What's up, Wolfpack? Welcome to the first episode of my new series called Lightwolf Quickies, where I give you a quick how-to video in under 5 minutes. I'm Isaiah Gibson, your host with the most. In this episode, I'll be showing you how to connect a custom domain to Groove.cm. So stay till the end because I'm going to show you step by step what you need to do in order to get your domain up and running. Again, I'm going to show you how to set up your custom domain inside of Groove.cm or Groove Funnels, whatever they call themselves now. So make sure you guys smash that like button and let's start the clock. So let's start the clock right now. So the first thing you're going to do is obviously create an account with Groove. If you don't already, I'll have a link below, and so you guys can just follow along. It's free to do. Groove is totally free. They also got this platinum membership, but you don't have to do that. So then we need to make sure we have a domain to connect to Groove. Okay, so I'm going to start with this one here, just passive income pub. Okay, so within Groove, the first thing we want to do is go up here to the top right, click this little dude, and click on my account. Then we want to go over to domains, custom domains, and you want to make sure you have a domain. If you don't already, make sure you buy one from Namecheap. I'll have a link below. And so we're going to go into manage, and we're hit add domain. And now we're just going to start. So what we're going to do is we're going to connect a full domain / subdomain. The difference between this and legacy is if you already got a domain somewhere outside of Groove and you want to kind of transfer things over and you don't want to screw anything up. So it's highly recommended that you start fresh, and that's what we're going to do today, just because it's going to be easier, it's going to be quicker. So we're going to hit next. It's going to ask which domain would I like to add. So we're just going to take the name of our domain here, and in my case it's passive income pub. Alright, hit next. It's going to look for it. Now it's going to tell you, you just got to add the DNS name, add the records. Now you just connect the DNS records. And so what we're going to do is we're going to copy both of these. We're going to go back into Namecheap, hit manage. And it's going to be really simple, guys, really simple. And so under here where it says name servers, we hit custom DNS. So for name server 1, we just literally paste what Groove just gave us. And then for name server 2, you paste that here. Hit the little green dude. It's going to give us these little twirlies. It says DNS server update may take up to 48 hours to take effect, but sometimes it's a lot faster than that. And so once we do that, we head back over to Groove under my account. Hit next. It's going to say click on the validate button. You want to hit validate DNS records. And it says domain added successfully. So it took a lot less than 48 hours, you can see. Just hit complete. And now you're done. Now we're going to decide how we're going to use this domain. Hit choose primary app. Whether you want to use it for Groove pages, Groove member, Groove blog, whatever, or Groove sale. We're going to just hit Groove pages for now. And you can add more to that later. See how I can just add more of these? So now I'm going to say I also want to use for Groove blog. It's going to say add a new subdomain. We're going to call this one class, just for an example. So now it says class.passiveincomepub.com. You can always add more subdomains later, or just edit this one or delete it, whatever you want to do. And that's it. Now you just hit update and you're good to go. So let's stop the timer. And that's going to do it for this video, guys. If you like the information, make sure you guys like and subscribe, and make sure you catch the next episode of my series where I'll show you how to integrate a page with that newly established domain, all within Groove. Again, Groove is totally free to start, and if you haven't already, create a free account using the link down in my description. If you don't already have a domain, Namecheap has sweet deals on them you'll also find below in my description, as well as a few other links to get you started along the way. Thanks for watching this video. Isaiah Gibson from Lightwolf Visuals signing off.